Hi everyone, Holly from Body in Motion coming at you today with some tips for relieving soreness in the quadricep muscle. You may find that you have some soreness in that muscle after you've increased the intensity of your running, or you've had a particularly intense game or match, or maybe you increased your weight with your weight training. I will tell you that if you are having these symptoms over and over again, or if they're lasting more than 4 or 5 days, that you should be addressing these with a physical therapist, because there's probably something else going on there besides tightness, and a physical therapist can help you get to the root cause of that issue and help prevent these things from happening over and over again. So foam rolling, great for those times where maybe you've just increased your training a little bit or kind of overdone it. Not something that you should feel like you need to do every day for several minutes every day. Let's go ahead and get started. You're going to grab your foam roller. You're going to place that about mid-thigh to start, lying right on the roller. And you're just going to kind of scan that thigh muscle by rolling back and forth and being careful to not go all the way up into my hip or all the way down into my knee. The tendons and joints are not places that we want to address with a foam roller. I can turn my body a little bit, so now I'm getting the inside of one thigh and the outside of the other a little bit, still on the quadricep muscle, but it is a large muscle. We want to make sure that we get all parts of that. And once I find an area that feels particularly uncomfortable or limited, then I'm going to drop my other foot down. I'm just going to bend that knee. So here I'm pinning the fascia down and I'm allowing the muscle to kind of move back and forth within the fascia, freeing up any restrictions that might be here. And I should be able to go a little bit further each time, about 10 or 15 times. You may need to do this in more than one spot in the quadricep because it's actually 4 muscles and quite large.